Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to split lines with a predefined distance. So where we can use it, for example, let's consider we have a road network, and in the road network we have roads with different road materials. And now we want to change those road materials according to the length. So how we can do it? So for this purpose, this you can see we have a road layer here, and we have digitized two roads. So there are two features, and we have digitized this from the any best map. We can use Google Map, Google Satellite, TopoSheet, any scan map, etc. Okay. Now go to the properties, and in the layers properties, you can see in information the coordinate reference system present for this particular layer is WGS84, that is geographic coordinate reference system, and we know that units are in degrees. Now, when we are splitting these particular roads, we give distance in meters. For that purpose, first we should reproject this layer into PCS, that is projected coordinate reference system. So today we will reproject it into UTM zone. For that purpose, go to the vector. In the vector, you can see there is data management tool. In data management tools, we have reproject layer. Click on it. This is a layer our, and from this particular option, we can choose any coordinate reference system. Today we will go with UTM, and this is a layer digitized from a Maharashtra region. So for the Maharashtra region, we will go with WGS84. UTM zone 43 north is 32643. Then select this particular coordinate reference system. Yeah, and then press run. Now you can see in the layers panel, we have different layer reprojected. This is another layer with the reprojected coordinate reference system in UTM. You can go to the properties and I can check the coordinate reference system information here. And you will see here it is UTM zone 43 north. Now close it. Open the attribute table, and in the attribute table, you can see we have two features. So there is a field road name, and for these two features, road names are SS26 and Gangapur Road. Now let's consider we create a new field here, and that field is road material. So R underscore material, data type is text, and then okay. And now for this SS26, we assume that the material for this particular road is asphalt. So save this value, close the editing, and close the attribute table. Now let's consider for the first 1,000 meters. Now the road material is concrete, and now we want to update this particular layer with 1,000 meter of road with concrete value. Correct. Now how to split this line with a distance of 1,000 meters? So for that, go to the processing. There is the option toolbox, and in toolbox search button, we go with option split. And there you can see we have option line substring. So click on this line substring, and there is an input layer reprojected, then start distance, end distance, correct? But now you can see on our screen, we have two different roads. One is SS26 and another is Gangapur Road. We want to just split this concrete road of SS20, this asphalt road of SS26 with a distance of 1,000 meters. So for that, go to the selection tool, select a particular feature or select this particular road. And now I can go to the line substring, and this time we want this reprojected, but with the selected features only. Start distance is 0 meters and end distance is 1,000 meters, correct? So click on run, and you will see now we have another layer in the layers panel substring. We'll just off this two, and you can see we have splitted our road layer with first 1,000 meters. Now I will just change this color of this road so you can see it clearly. Apply. So just 4.5. Okay, and this is our original layer reprojected. Go to the again symbology, and here we will go with a color red, and again just let's consider 0.5. Apply. Okay. So now you can see this is a original road with the red color, and this is our splitted line of 1,000 meters with a blue. But now we want this substring to be added in our original layer so that we can give the different colors in a single layer. We don't want these different layers. So how we will do it? Go to the vector. I can go to the data management tool. There is the option merge vector layers. And now we want to merge layers reprojected with substring. It's okay. Destination coordinate reference system is UTM 43 north. Run it. Close. Now you can see we have a layer merge. So this is again we have original layer. We don't have layers with the different splitted parts. Okay. Now here you can see go to the attribute table, and in the attribute table we have road SS26 with material asphalt, and then updated SS26 with okay. I think we have merged wrong layers. Okay. Substring to the attribute table. So now here this substring first, go to the open attribute table. Now again start the editing. And the part which we have splitted with the 1000 meters. So here first we have to update the road material value with concrete. Yeah, that was the missing part. So this is concrete, save it, close the attribute table, I can close it. Now I will go to the vector, then go to the data management tool and then merge vector layers. Okay, now go with the reprojected and substring. Okay, coordinate reference system is PCS, run it. Okay. Now you can see we have merge layer. Right click, go to the attribute table, and here we can see we have SS26 with asphalt and SS26 of 1000 meters updated with concrete. Correct. Now, if you want to give different colors for these different roads, then how we can do it? So go to the properties, and in the properties, you can see we can give a symbology as per categorization. So in the categorize, we will go with road material, classify it. Yeah. So asphalt road, we give the black color with 0.35 mm of width. Concrete, we give the red color with 0.5 mm of width. And these are other roads. Other roads means if the road material is not defined for that particular road, so that we will go with blue color. Yeah, and 0.26 width. Yeah. So click on apply. And okay, now you can see here on the screen in a single layer called merge. This is our new road layer. We have 1000 meters of concrete, then the remaining is of asphalt. And if the value is not given for the road material, then that road is in a blue color. So this is how we can split or trim the line layers with a predefined distance. Thank you so much.